Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to finally bring a unboxing of the Beats Studio Buds. I've been waiting to do this for a while. I'll let you guys know that this channel is completely funded by myself, and if you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe and like. It's for free. It helps out the channel a lot. Let's get this unboxing underway. I got the red color. I really wanted to try out the red color instead of white, and so that's the box in Australia. It's got active voice noise cancellation. It's got that little tab. Now, with this is a more eco-friendly towards non-Apple devices. Okay, so this doesn't have, from what I know, don't quote me on this, it doesn't have the W1 or H1 chips. It can pair to Android devices and unlock everything. Okay, so you get some booklets. So try it for free. Some Beats sticker. Yep, okay, so that's basically it. What else do you get? So you get sound with proper fit. So I guess those are the buds. Yep, okay, beautiful. You get the fast fuel, 5 minutes USB-C to USB-C finally. Okay, all right, and here is the bad boy. So just slipped it out like that. So that's basically it. Okay, now let's give this bad boy an opening up. So you just open it up like that. USB-C charging. You've got the studio buds here. That's the interior of it. Okay, let's get this out of the way. So these are the buds. Okay. You've got clicking features on here. Okay, so not touch sensitive, which is, you might be someone like me who loathes touch sensitive stuff because you keep hitting it while trying to do stuff. Then that's basically it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about this unboxing and what you'd like me to pair these up against. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm thinking of pairing it up against the AirPods and the 3rd generation and the AirPods Pro as well. What do you guys think? Thanks so much for watching to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.